If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Roblox, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a capable graphics card. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Regularly update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Visit the manufacturer's website like NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the most recent drivers, which can improve performance and stability. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within Roblox. Go to the settings menu in the game and reduce the graphics quality, disable shadows, and turn off any unnecessary visual effects to help reduce stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Roblox to run more smoothly. Step 5. Optimize internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, and minimize network usage by disconnecting other devices from the network while playing to reduce lag and stuttering. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox gaming experience. Enjoy smoother gameplay.